Hello, guys. Welcome back to today's class, English in Minutes. Today, we're going to have a look at lesson number 3. There is and there are. So let's jump into it. On our first page, there is and there are. So in the first part, we use there is and there are to say that something exists or is present. They are often used to introduce new information. Okay, quite easy to use, not very difficult. So let's have a look at there is. What is the rule for there is and how do we use it? So there is a singular or uncountable. We use there is when the noun is a singular, one thing, uncountable, cannot be counted. Okay, so for an examples, here are some examples. There is a book on the table. There is a problem. There is some milk in the fridge. Okay, here you can see we only talk about one thing. On to the next page. So let's have a look at there are. It's a plural. We use there are when the noun is plural, so meaning more than one. Here are some examples for there are. There are 2 chairs in the room. There are many students there. There are some cookies on the plate. Okay, very easy. The next one. So how do we use them when it is questions and negative things? So the first one, questions. Is there a shop nearby? We are only talking about one shop. Okay, remember the rule. There is we use when it's one thing. Are there any questions? So we talk about many questions. Okay. How do we use them in a negative way? There isn't any coffee. There aren't any chairs. Okay. So is becomes isn't and are becomes aren't to make it negatives. Okay. On to the next page. Here is just a quick summary of today's lesson. So here we've got the form. There is, there are, and how do we use them? So there is, we use when it's one thing or an uncountable. There are, we use when it's more than one. Okay, more than one thing. So on the bottom of the page, easy tips for learners. Look at the noun after there is and there are. Okay. Remember, there is we use when it is only one thing. There are we use when it is more than one. Okay. Quite easy. I think if you go through the class more than once, you should catch it very quickly. Okay. Then the next class, lesson number 4, we are going to have a look at possessive and adjectives. So my, your, his, and her. Okay, so have a look out for lesson number 4, possessive adjectives. Okay. Guys, please remember to follow and subscribe, like I always say, to know what is happening in the next lesson. Okay. Thank you so much for joining today's class. See you next time. Bye.